In this video, I will show you how you can make your own character in Polybuzz app. So first open up your Polybuzz app and then you just have to click on this plus icon on the bottom of your screen. Then on this window, you just have to select the character type that you want to use. For example, you can select the regular, multi-role, or you can simply select the show that you want to create your character based on. So for example, you can select My Hero Academia, Sprunky, Marvel Universe, Demon Slayer, or you can click on this more option to view all of the other animes or shows. So from here you can select the any show that you want to create your character based on. So for example, I will select this My Hero Academy option from here. Then on the screen, first you have to create your character avatar. So you can create your character avatar by AI by clicking on this AI generate option. Or if you have created your avatar by yourself, you can click on this upload button and upload the avatar by from your device. Then you have to enter your character name, select their gender, and you can also add some intro and then some greeting. And you can also set up the voice by clicking on this setup character voice option. Then here simply select the voice that you want to use in your character. Then you can simply select the based on character. So you have to select the which person your character is based on, such as the Midoriya, Bokugo, Todoroki, or All Might. So this will fetch all the characters or persons from your selected shows, and then you can simply select the person from here that you want to create your character based on. Then you can simply select the role in story, such as the mentor, mischief, trickster, or dark villain. After that, you can also give them some superpower, such as superhuman strength, elemental control, and then relationship with the brokers. So you have to fill up all these details, and then simply once you fill up all these details, click on this create and chat option, and then your own character will be created, and then you can simply talk with it and have fun. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.